friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Hermione from Harry Potter. All right, so I'm gonna start with a pencil just to kind of get this laid out. And I'm gonna start with a letter U, and then I'm gonna lay in some hair on top of that. Okay, and I think I've got it. All right, so to start with, we're gonna draw a letter U. There, you did it. And then we're gonna draw an eyebrow, like so. And we're gonna draw like a arched line and an eye, and we're gonna leave a little white in it. And then we're gonna draw a line on top of it like so. And then we're gonna draw a little wiggly nose there for Hermione. And a little line for her mouth, and a line above her mouth, and just a little line below her mouth. Then we're gonna draw a line coming down like that, and here's her hair, and here's the other side of her hair. She's got the wavy hair. Okay, then we have the other eyebrow, which is kind of behind her hair. And part of her eye is behind her hair, like that. There we go. Then we're gonna draw a little bitty neck back here. And we're gonna draw two diagonal lines, and we're gonna draw the collar, and we're gonna draw the tie, which is kind of looser. Okay, and we're gonna draw, this mouth is bothering me. I want it to just be a line going across. There we go. Okay, we don't have any ears showing. Yes, okay, then we've got some sleeves coming down here and here. We're gonna draw a hand like that, and we're gonna draw a magic wand. There we go. And we're gonna have a finger in front of the magic wand, another finger, and a little baby pinky finger. All right, then we're gonna draw some thumb lines there for the thumb, and I'm gonna draw a line coming down for her shirt sleeve. Here's her sleeve, like that. You don't really see much of her shirt because it's foreshortened, so we'll just draw the bottom of her shirt here, coming back up, down, back up. Just put her in some pants. And then she's gonna have a book of spells just like her buddy Harry. Okay, so there's that. And I should have not put that there, so I will hide that. Okay, so we'll just do a little thing here. bottom, like that. Comes down and around, like that. A little more, okay. And then her hand comes back up and around, like that. And then she's got the sleeve, and it comes down, around, like that. And then here's her book, and we'll just continue the book. There we go. All right, and then let's put them on the ground. And we'll put some magic lines coming out. All right, and there is Hermione. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.